Alright my dudes, welcome to Bike Check. Haven't done a bike check in a minute, so I figured I'd kind of run through my bike because I've gotten a couple new parts. Speaking of which, huge shout out to Shine BMX. They've hooked me up with this entire bike out of the kindness of their heart, everything except for brakes and then a few other things which I'll dive into. So we're just gonna start from the top, work our way to the back, go over the stuff, and then at the end I'll throw in some fun clips. So here we go, start with the bars. These are the new Snafu Noah bars. These are Logan Martin's signature bars. I believe they're a 9.25 rise, and I cut them down about 3/4 of an inch on each side to I think it's now like 28 wide, but I'm probably wrong on that. And then we got some kink bar ends. They're super light metal bar ends, nice. And then ODI grips, can't go wrong with those. And then for the brakes, like I said, these are the 34R Cleto brakes. They don't make this anymore. 34R is no longer a company. So this brake setup is rare and I love it. It's so good. And then moving on down, profile push stem. This is Mark Mulville's signature stem. I love this stem. I recently went to a 48 reach from 52. I just like it a little bit shorter, a little bit tighter. Just makes the bike feel good. And then for the bolts, we have Armor Bikes titanium bolts. I don't even know if that company's still around. That again, that's one of the other parts that I've purchased on my own. They look cool. I don't know. They're light. And then going down, we got the 34R gyro plate. I really like this gyro plate because it doesn't have any barrel adjusters. Doing Vader jams and foot jams and stuff, those barrel adjusters would always come loose. So without that, it's no issue. Super nice. Moving on down, we have the Stolen Revolver headset. I like it. It's blue. It looks cool and it matches the bottom bracket. And then we have the Shadow gyro. And then moving on down from that, the fork. These are the Snafu Magical Forks. They're good. And then for the wheels, we have Profile Elite with tie bolts, tie spokes, Alienation Malice rim, and the Maxxis Grifter tire in 2.1 with the I'm Better Than You orange valve stem, the Tubolitos. They're great. Love these wheels. And then moving on back, we got the brake cables, just some Walmart brake cables with these little bendy boys to make it more of a direct pull. And then for the frame, we have the Total Kilobee K4 and I believe a 20.75. Really been liking the Total frames, especially since they have the cutouts or things for your brakes to go through the frame. That's really nice. And then moving on to the middle of the bike, 28 tooth profile spline drive sprocket, profile cranks, and 165 with aluminum bolts and tie spindle, alienation foothold pedals, and that stolen bottom bracket. And then for the brakes, we got the 34R Cleto brakes. They're good, and the brake pads are the Aqua pads. Super nice. They got female bolts, so you don't hit them when you're doing tail-ups and shit. And then for the chain, it's the Kroopy half-link chain with hollow pins and hollow links. Super lightweight. I always rode the Shadow ones, and then I figured I'd check this one out. It's been great so far. And then for the back wheel, it's Profile Elite, tie driver, tie bolts, tie spokes, alloy nipples, Odyssey 7K rim with the Maxxis Grifter tire and the Tubolito tube. So that's my bike. I really like it. Oh, seat, just profile some seat, and it's good. So that's it. Again, if you need to get any bike parts, go to timeshinebmx.com. They have all your stuff linked down below. Enjoy these clips and have a great day. I love you all. Yes, dude.
Yeah. First try. Oh my God! Yeah. what you're talking about.